De nada everyone. Hello, welcome everyone. Yo soy Shivani. I'm Shivani. Estoy aquí para enseñarte español. I'm here to teach you Spanish. In today's video tutorial, you guys learn a lot of things related to weather. And in this video tutorial, I'm gonna give you a complete information about weather in Spanish, in which you can learn some new phrases related to weather, in which you can learn how can we say it's windy, it's cold, it's sunny, it's summer, etc. in Spanish, and some new words like snow, cloudy, winter, summer, winter, summer, spring, autumn, fall, rainy, cloudy, etc. in Spanish. And at the end, I'm gonna give you some sentences in which you can learn how can we use these words in our sentences. So without wasting our time, so let's start our video. So first of all, I'm gonna give you one important note related to weather in Spanish. So in English, to talk about weather, we normally say it's hot and it's windy. But in Spanish, we don't need to use the word like it before talking about weather. The example of this is nieva mucho en enero. In this sentence, nieva mucho en enero, where nieva means snow in Spanish, mucho means a lot in Spanish, and enero means in January. So in this sentence, we don't need to use the word or it in Spanish. So we don't need to use the word like it in Spanish while talking about weather. So nieva mucho en enero means it snow a lot in January. Nieva mucho en enero means it snow a lot in January. Our next sentence coming to you is llueve mucho hoy. Guys, you guys already know double L is pronounced as J. In Spanish, it is pronounced as llueve, which means raining in Spanish. Mucho means a lot, hoy means today. So llueve mucho hoy means it's raining a lot today. Guys, now I'm giving you some phrases related to weather, and a lot of weather phrases begin with hace in Spanish. In Spanish, a lot of weather phrases begin with hace word. Here you can see some phrases of weather in Spanish in which all the phrases start with hace word in Spanish. So, hace frío means it's cold in Spanish, where frío means cold. And calor means hot in Spanish, sol means sunny in Spanish, viento means windy in Spanish, buen tiempo means good weather, and mal tiempo means bad weather. So hace frío means it's cold, hace calor means it's hot, hace sol means it's windy, it's sunny. Sorry guys. Hace sol means it's sunny, hace viento means it's windy, hace bien tiempo means it's good weather, hace mal tiempo means it's bad weather. Hace frío it's cold, hace calor it's hot, hace sol it's sunny, hace viento it's windy, hace bien tiempo it's good temperature, good weather it's good weather, hace mal tiempo it's bad weather. Now I'm giving you some words related to weather in Spanish. Our first word coming to you is weather. What we called weather in Spanish, weather is called as tiempo. Weather is called as tiempo in Spanish. Snow means nieva, rainy means llueve, the winter means el invierno. The winter means el invierno in Spanish. Cloudy means nublado. Dark means oscuro. Spring means primavera. How can we say spring in Spanish? Spring means primavera in Spanish. So spring means primavera. The fall or the autumn means el otoño. The fall or the autumn means el otoño. Month means mes. Month means mes in Spanish. So weather means tiempo. Snow means nieva. Rainy means llueve. The winter means el invierno, cloudy means nublado, dark means oscuro, spring means primavera, the fall or the autumn means el otoño, and the month means mes. I'm now giving you some sentences related to that words. Our first sentence coming to you is ¿Qué tiempo hace en Boston ahora? It means what's the weather in Boston now? What's the weather in Boston now? Guys, if we want to know about the weather of some place, how can we ask ¿Qué tiempo hace and the name of the place, that is Boston or something else, ahora, then ahora. It means now. So what's the weather in Boston now? It means ¿Qué tiempo hace en Boston ahora? Where ¿Qué means what, tiempo means the weather, and Boston means in Boston, ahora means now. So what's the weather in Boston now? ¿Qué tiempo hace en Boston ahora? Our next sentence is ¿Qué tiempo hace? Means What's the weather like? If we want to ask someone what's the weather like, how can we say that in Spanish? ¿Qué tiempo hace? ¿Qué tiempo hace? What's the weather like? Our next sentence is a menudo. A menudo means often in Spanish. Hace mal tiempo means the weather is bad. And aquí means here. So a menudo hace mal tiempo aquí means the weather is often bad here. Our next sentence is it isn't very windy. No hace mucho viento. Where hace viento means it's windy, mucho means very, and no means isn't. So it isn't very windy means no hace mucho viento. No hace mucho viento means it isn't very windy. Our next sentence is hoy hace mal tiempo. The weather is bad today. Hoy hace mal tiempo. The weather is bad today. Our next sentence is siempre. Siempre means always in Spanish. Hace sol means it's sunny. Aquí means here. Siempre hace sol aquí. It's always sunny here. Our next sentence is Sahil, ¿cómo está el tiempo hoy? ¿Cómo está el tiempo means how's the weather today? ¿Cómo means how in Spanish. Está means the, el tiempo means the weather, and hoy means today. So, está means is. So, Sahil, ¿cómo está el tiempo hoy? Sahil, how is the weather today? ¿Cómo está means how is the. So, Sahil, ¿cómo está el tiempo hoy means Sahil, how is the weather today? Our next sentence coming to you is está muy nublado hoy. Está muy nublado hoy means it's very cloudy today. Nublado means cloudy in Spanish, so it's mean cloudy. So está muy nublado hoy means it's very cloudy today. Está muy nublado hoy, it's very cloudy today. Our next sentence is los inviernos means winters in Spanish. Aquí means here. Son muy oscuros means are very dark. So winters here are very dark means los inviernos aquí son muy oscuros. Winters here are very dark means los inviernos aquí son muy oscuros. Our next sentence is está oscuro y llueve. It's dark and raining. Está oscuro y llueve. It's dark and raining. Our next sentence is estoy feliz. It means I am happy. Porque means because. Es primavera, it's spring. Es primavera means it's spring. I'm happy because it's spring means estoy feliz porque es primavera. Our next sentence is los otoños. It means the falls. Son bonito means the pretty are pretty. Bonitos means pretty in Spanish. Aquí, here. Los otoños son bonitos aquí. The falls are pretty here. Our next sentence is we enjoy, which means disfrutamos in Spanish. We enjoy means disfrutamos. Fall means otoño. Días means los days. So, fall days means los días de otoño. We enjoy fall days. Disfrutamos los días de otoño. Our next sentence is I don't have to work this month. I don't have to work this month means no tengo que trabajar este mes. Trabajar means to work in Spanish. Este means this. Month means mes. I don't have to means no tengo que. So no tengo que trabajar este mes. Este mes. I don't have to work this month. Our next sentence is nieva mucho en enero. It snow a lot in January. Tu cumpleaños es en febrero. Febrero means February in Spanish. Febrero means February in Spanish. Tu cumpleaños means your birthday. So, tu cumpleaños es en febrero means your birthday is in February. Our next sentence is ella. Ella means she in Spanish. Quiere means wants. Viajar means to travel. En marzo means in March. So, en marzo means March. So, ella quiere viajar en marzo. She wants to travel in March. Our next sentence is no hace mucho frío en April. It isn't very cold in April. Abril means April in Spanish. Abril means April in Spanish. No hace mucho frío means it isn't very cold. So no hace mucho frío and April means it isn't very cold in April. Abril means April. So mi cumpleaños es en mayo means my birthday is in May. Mayo means May in Spanish. Mayo means May in Spanish. Mi cumpleaños means my birthday. So mi cumpleaños as and mayo means my birthday is in May. Our next sentence is hacemos muchas cosas en junio. We do a lot of things in June. Junio means June in Spanish. Cosas means things. Hacemos means we do. So hacemos muchas cosas and junio means we do a lot of things in June. Our next sentence is usualmente means usually. Hace calor means it's hot. And Julio means July. Julio means July in Spanish. Julio means July in Spanish. Hace calor means it's hot. And usualmente means usually. So usualmente, hace calor and Julio. It means usually it's hot in July. So that's all for today. Hope guys you really like today's video. If you guys really learn something from my video, please like, share and comment on Languages for All channels. And till then, adios and gracias por mirar. Bye and thank you for watching.